So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you how to buy Jupiter cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. So once Robinhood's opened up in the bottom middle, there's the magnifying glass. Go ahead and press on it. Once you're on the Explore page right here at the top where it says search by name or symbol, just start going ahead and typing in the word Jupiter or ticker symbol JUP. Once it's here, just select it. Then at the bottom where it says buy, go ahead and select that. Then once you're here, you can type in how much of Jupiter crypto you want to buy. So if you wanted to buy, for example, $5 worth, you would type in 5 and then press review. Then on this page, you can review the order so you can see the amount of Jupiter that you're buying, the fees, the cost, and if this looks good to you and you want to proceed, at the bottom where it says swipe up to submit, you can then submit the order that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to buy Jupiter cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.